So this is how my hair is looking like right now, and it's gonna be my first attempt to do a blow dry and do them straight. And now it's a little wavy. I've put some oil on there as well because I'm gonna wash it now. And by the way, it's been like 3 days that I haven't washed them since I styled and colored them, obviously, but today it's gonna be my first attempt at a straight blow dry. So keep watching, let's see if I get it right or not. We shall see. The hair is now washed and conditioned. Now let's start. I don't think that I'm very happy with this. I don't think I'm really happy with that. I think I could have done better, but of course it was my very first attempt on myself, so I guess it's alright. I'm actually better when I do this on others, but I think I'll have to do a little round of straightening. Oh, let's do that quickly. I think, well, I was recently told not to use a very high temperature with my straighteners. Don't go up to 230, which I used to do, which is a very high temperature. Today I'm just gonna stick to 180. Let's see.